Well, hello, my name is Atlesia Gibson, the head coach for Arlington Public Schools Wonder League Robotics Competition. Our leading sponsor this year is Lotta Tech. Lotta Tech sponsors growing and innovative programming like the Wonder League Robotics Competition. This year, there are going to be some really cool stuff. Wonder League Robotics Competition and Craig of the Creek have joined forces once again this year to bring you some exciting troubleshooting, problem solving, adventurous robotics competition events. This is the 6th year for WLRC, and they will bring you several missions for you to accomplish. I'm going to first introduce the problem for this year. Craig and his younger sister, Jessica, are a dynamite duo. They both love learning and spending time in the creek, an untamed wilderness located in their backyard. Craig is thrilled when he gets the chance to better understand the ecosystem and habitats of the creek for a class project. Craig knew this was a perfect chance for Dash, the newest member of the creek, to come and explore with him. Craig, Dash, and all the creek kids know that gaining knowledge is an adventure all its own. While in the creek doing research for his school project, Craig and his little sister Jessica notice that the water is not flowing and the creek has dried up. The animals of the creek need help from Craig and Jessica to restore their habitat and save the entire ecosystem. What can be done to save the animals of the creek and return things to normal? Join Craig and his friends and save the creek. Mission 1. Turtle Track Down. With Craig and the turtles finally freed from the log, everyone agrees that they need to figure out what is causing the creek to dry up. Before they can start investigating, however, Craig realizes they need to protect the rest of the creek's displaced turtles. But how? Jessica has an idea. What about the creek guardian? Craig laughs. You mean Wildernessa? That's a great idea. She knows more about the creek's animals than anyone and is sure to have a plan. Together, they summon Wildernessa, who arrives atop her trusty dog bearing foreboding news. All of the creek's turtles will need water soon or they will become dehydrated. If the water doesn't return, the creek is doomed to become a wasteland. Wildernessa determines that the safest thing to do is to first locate the other turtles and coax them out of hiding. Jessica suggests using Dash, noting his small size is perfect for the mission. Using her expertise, Wildernessa marks the most common turtle nesting locations on a grid for Dash to retrieve them. There is more to come, but first, let's get to work. But don't forget to like and subscribe to this video so that you can get more information.